Taking time off of swimming can be important for your long-term goals. Welcome to Skills and Talents. Our main job is to reverse engineer our skills and that of others in order for you to learn them in an easy way. If you want to watch a new swimming video every Friday, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell icon. Personally, I don't need more than 2 weeks or so of time off after a hard swimming season, but that is very personal and depends on a lot of things. The first thing you need to consider before taking time off is, do you even need time off? Sometimes you just need to keep swimming in order to feel mentally ready again. But here are some signs that you do need time off. If in the middle of a set, you want to stop the sport. If the feeling of satisfaction after a swim session is very small or non-existent. If even the sight of the swimming pool makes you mad, chances are you need a break. How long should you take time off? Well, you need to start with how well do you know yourself? Have you taken time off before? What did it feel like when you started swimming again? How long did it take you for you to miss the swimming pool? Those are good indicators as to how long you should take time off. What should you do with the extra time that you have when you're not swimming? I recommend trying new things that you always wanted to try. That could be as simple as walking in nature. Maybe you can take a trip somewhere to see new places. You can try other sports. This is really up to you and your interests, but it is very important to stay active, or else you could feel emotionally and physically down. What kind of activities do you do when you take a break from swimming? Leave us a comment below. If you like this video and you want to see more of this style, check out this playlist. Or if you want to learn how to swim better, check out this playlist with all of our tutorial videos. See you there. Thanks for watching. Swim fast.